This video is all about whiteboard animation, and so let us watch this short presentation.
Do you want to learn how to create amazing animation videos just like this one, a moving object? Can you see? Or a static one, just like this drawing? You are in the right track. Let's go.
Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button.
Now I will show you all you need to know about whiteboard animation, text or image animation. You can learn that in this video. Just take a close look at every step and then you can master this. I'm going to use only 2 slides. So once you want to start your project, you just click on this plus button. You have option for selecting your canvas size. If you click on this place, let me show you. On this place, if you click on it, you have several options: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. So this animation, you want, let's say you want YouTube size. You create a name for your movie. Let's use example as our name for this video. Mind you, you can't create movie using a space in your name, so make sure there is no space in the name of the movie. After that step, that is the first step, you have a white blank space like this. You can decide to be using text all through depending on how you want it, but I'm going to show you some creative part of this app that you need to master. Now let's start from this part. This is the sticker. If you click on sticker, you have options to select sticker directly from your own device. You can click on recent one, the ones you used recently. This one, they need adverts. You need to view video of adverts before you can use them. Let me click on one. Can you see? Either you buy the pro version or you use ad reward system. You watch ad and then you get it. But there are a lot of free effects, icons and images that you can use. If we click on this one now, can you see this moving bicycle? If you need to delete your element or sticker, you click on this one, you click on that. So once I click on that, it will be deleted. So that is the option for sticker. So there are a lot of stickers that you can use in this app. Can you see? Lots of stickers, shapes and lots more. Lots of stickers and lots more. So assuming we want to create something like this, this is for option of increasing size. This part is for increasing size. So you move that tab to increase the size of your sticker. So once you move it, you can increase it. Now options under this one are the delay, if you want it to delay before it moves, the duration you want it to spend on the screen. You can click on this up and down arrows for you to get it done. Up and down arrows, all these ones is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, depending on how you want it to be. So this part at the base is to delete. This second one here is for your animation for that effect or sticker. So let's click on it and see how it looks. So there are a lot of default animation that you can use that will bring in your element or sticker. So let's play and see how it comes in for this one. Can you see? So that is just a slide in. So now once you click on it again, you can continue with your design or the creation of your animation. So this one means to copy it becomes 2 like that. If you want it to become 2 and you want some other things you want to do just like that, there are a lot of creative ability that you can use to create your animation in this app. Now if you want to delete that, you can click on delete and then click on this again. This one is to bring it backward and this one is to bring it forward. Here I mean this this and this, bring it forward, bring it backward. This one is to change the dimension. This one is to change the dimension. Now let's change the dimension. Can you see? The right becomes left, the left becomes right, just like that. So that is that for one of the options you have on sticker. Now let's go to test. To add test, you just type in what you want. Happy children day. Okay, let's put it here. Adjust the other one, put this one here. You see, so this text has another type of selection you can do. You have fonts. These are the fonts. I don't want to waste much time. So the color also, if you click on this color, you can swipe to the left and right to select how deep you want it to be. Can you see all of this? How deep you want it to be? So that's that. On that, let's select this and move on. Can you see? So that is that. For this one, that is the size of your font. If I increase it to 200 now, you will see how big it will be. So for you to line it well, this is what you will move. Here you move this one here. Yes, this one. So if you move it, you can then adjust and then reduce the size. If it is not good, you can just reduce it to 80. If it is not looking well, can you see? You can then reduce the size and then balance it back to where it's supposed to be. This one is for the alignment, and if you need to make a change to your text, just click on this one. So on this pencil tool, and then you can then edit it. So that's that. If you are done, you can tick it like this, and then you can adjust again for what you want. Just like I've explained earlier, there is delay, duration, and pause for this one. So the base here also has effect. If you want it to be in this form, if you click on play now, you'll see how it comes. The text will slide, it will come in based on the effect you choose. But if it is just a text, let's say hooray, let's increase the size. So now if you want it to be written, you will leave it like that. You won't select anything. You select the kind of hand you want. Let's say this is what you want. If you play it, you are going to have your hand creating the text at the top there. Can you see? So this is how to use the app. And the last part, here we have background. You can use image color to change the color of the background. Text, we've talked about that. The hand you want to use, yes, we have talked about that too. So now we have music. If you want to use voiceover, you click here, and if you want to use music track, you click here. If you have recorded it or it's just a song, you can bring it in using that. So I just want you to look at this app, explore, and then you can start creating something good from it. If you want to add another layer, you click here. You click this plus button. So once you click that plus button, you can add a new layer. Can you see a blank page? So you can change the background from that color to another color, and then you can adjust and input your characters again. So let's pick from the recent. So here is another one. So here is another one. Now you can adjust, make some changes to it, and so on and so forth. When you have done all of that, this is what you're going to click here. You click here to save it as a project. This one to save it as to play what you have done from the beginning. So once you play, it will start from the beginning and show you everything you have done so far. If you want to make changes, you can then go back to it. So if you click on these three dots here, here, so once you click that, it will give you options like if you want to copy the page, if you want to add audio, if you want to reorder your elements. Maybe you want, let's use this first one because it has 3 layers. So if you want to rearrange, you just click on reorder elements. Then you can move this one up, you can move this one up if you want them to come as you want them to come into the screen. So if you play now, you see the difference. Happy children, they come in first, then Uri before the last one. So it depends on how you order it. So after you have edited all what you want to do, you can now click on this part at the top here. If you click on this place, you can then save your video. Click on it, you name your video, okay, let's say done. You then click on save export mode, then you create make movie. It will take some seconds or minutes to save. After rendering the video, you can now save to gallery. It will not appear in your gallery immediately, so after saving it, you need to go back to where it is located on this same app. I'll show you now after it has saved. Now you can play it. If you play, it will show what you have done. Can you see? Let's go to saving of our video. Let's go to saving of our video. Let's go to saving of our video. So this is the video. You now click on movies. Click on movies here. Once you click on movies here, you click on movies. Once you click on movies, you can now click on these three dots. These three dots. So once you click that three dots, you will now save to gallery. Once you click on save to gallery, you have your video right in your gallery.